Hi guys, and welcome to bot.binary.com hotmatrixx unofficial tutorial series episode 4, the if statement. I know I said in the previous tutorial just a moment ago that I was going to do math operators, but I actually need to do if statements first. It just makes a better workflow as you're learning the process. So the if statement will also allow us just in here to make a nasty little martingale style, ladder style bot, and I'm going to use the code building on the previous tutorial because it allows us to start resetting the stake. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to use the, I'm going to use the logic series and grab if statement. And I'm also going to grab, under the logic series, I'm also going to grab this one, the equals operator. So I'm going to close this for a moment. Close this for a moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add to this logic, which basically just made the stake go up and up and up and up. What I want to do is make the stake go up if I lose. But if I win, I want to reset the stake to my initial stake. So that's the idea of what I want to do with this, just to explain and show you how if works. Now, remembering that this bot basically works on a natural English system, you can almost read along the line of code and understand what it does. So just to clarify that, we're going to continue with all these blocks here remain unchanged. I'm just going to work with the trade results block for a little while, and I'm going to set if. Now what I'm going to do here is there's another little block that's really useful specifically for this part, and it is under the binary after purchase result is win. So if the result is a win, I would want it to reset my stake back to the initial stake. So I would set it by using variable set changing stake to initial. Now if I wanted to, I could have actually just copied this right here and just dropped that straight in there, but I'm not all there today. So if my result is a win, I want to set changing stake to initial. Reset the stake back to the start. If it's not, however, if it's a loss, I can just put else, because it presumes if it's not a win, it's going to be a loss, right? So if it's a win, do this, else do this. And the operation we're going to have in here is to change stake. There you go. So if it's a win, change the stake back to initial, else change the stake by 1. Pretty simple, nice and easy, and that's the basics of the if statement. So if I run this now, just have a, how about we just reset this quickly. You just play this for a moment, let it play out so you can see it working. Hopefully we get a couple of losses here. Wow, this is a great strategy. Okay, to be fair, this is a great strategy in an upward trend. Which is ironic because it's a downward trend. There we go, we've had a loss. So it's done the additive stake, and now it should reset back to $1.50. Here you go. So, guess I will see you in the next one.